Welcome to the channel. I am Christopher Coyle. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to talk about niches. Now what a niche is basically the direction you are going to go. Doesn't matter if you're a brick and mortar business, an online business, or an affiliate marketer, you have to pick a direction. Whether it be the service industry, the food industry, clothing industry, or something else, but you have to pick. And the best thing to do is pick something that you have a passion for because you will enjoy it better. But that being said, you need to remember one thing. You making money depends on the audience. So you need a hungry audience, a captive audience, an audience that wants something that has a problem you can fix. So, what's an example of this? Movie industry. How many of us went to the theaters, at least back when we were going to theaters, and we got in, got the ticket, but maybe we were hungry or thirsty. We had the kids, and the kids always want something, so we buy popcorn, soda, candy, whatever it is. And that popcorn, candy, soda is the most expensive thing in the theater. Why? It's not making money off the ticket. They're making money off of what people buy at the concession stands. And can't bring anything into the theater, so if you want something, you have to get it there. So that became their thing to do. The movie was fine, but before the movie, during the movie, you had the smells, you had the sounds. They even showed advertisements on the screen because they want you to buy food. Now, as an affiliate marketer, there are areas that are like that. Relationships, making money online, and health and wellness. Those are the three biggest evergreen niches. There are more. There's clothing, there's food, travel, photography. Those are evergreen niches too, but not to the extent of relationships, making money, and health and wellness. So, by evergreen, again, I mean there'll always be somebody in the market for it, no matter the season, no matter whatever happens. For the most part, there's always going to be something in there. Now, the other problem we have, especially taking those two into consideration, they are huge niches. All of them are multi-billion-dollar industries. So, you only need a small portion of the pie to make your 5 or 6 figures. But it's not a good idea to tackle the entire pie and hope for a slice. It's easier to make money if you niche down to a specific area. Now, what do I mean by this? Take for instance, health and wellness. It's a huge multi-billion-dollar industry. But inside health and wellness, you have weight loss, you have weight gain, you have diet, you have exercise, you have mental health, you have physical health, you have health symptoms, whatever it is, all kinds of things. So let's say you want to do health and wellness, but you want to specialize, because that's how we really connect with your audience. That's how you find out exactly who you want to focus on. It allows you to really streamline and get the best, the most effective return on what you're doing. So inside health and wellness, you might focus on weight loss. Okay, so you have people who want to be healthy, want to lose weight. You don't want to maybe focus on supplements. You want to focus on maybe diets. Okay, so now you have health and wellness, weight loss, diets. There's a lot of diets. So maybe go one more and you add keto. So now you know exactly where you focus. You're keto. So you find all this information and you start finding all these keto products and cookbooks and recipes, and you focus on that. You connect with other people and you bring them all together, and you get a commission off of promoting other companies' keto. But you become educated in that one field to where people know that you are the person to talk to. It's a little bit of education for you, but you're passing that on. It's beneficial, and that's where you make your money. In 6 months or so, you could make 5 figures as long as you connect and have the offers. And finding the offers isn't that hard. It's getting the audience. And that's where the niche and niching down helps you connect with the exact audience. Now, that's all I want to talk about in this video. I will talk about how to connect to people in a future video, and I have some other ones coming up. By all means, subscribe. I hope you like this, and I hope to see you on the next video.